I'm Jillian Canning. I am on the AWS Startup BD team and I'm a program manager. So I first learned about AWS when I was in my role at Techstars as the director of the Techstars New York City program. So some of my now colleagues would actually come through Techstars and have office hours with the founders that were going through the cohort and talk to them about AWS. So I really started to build my relationship with the folks on this team. I think there were about 2 or 3 folks from my current team. When I was looking for my next opportunity, they were my first call. Probably the most compelling thing about AWS as a company was that I would still be able to work really closely with startups, but at a larger company. I think working at a startup at a very early stage, we were pre-seed and then we had raised a seed round when I was there. It really taught me empathy for these founders that I now work with on a day-to-day basis, understanding the challenges that they're going through, understanding the costs that they need to save. It really helped me to kind of put myself in their shoes and understand what I could do to help them on the other side of the table. I'd say the best thing about being on the AWS Startup BD team is that everyone on this team has worked with startups, has been a founder, has been an investor. They've really been in the shoes of the founder. And so just by nature, everyone's super entrepreneurial. Even though we work at a massive company like Amazon, it's still very startup-y day to day. Everyone kind of moves fast and innovates. I think a lot of times people might be a little intimidated by AWS because they think it's some kind of technical role and they're not technical. I'm not technical at all. And so to me, getting started out, it was a little bit of a learning curve. Like I was like, how much do I really need to know? But instead of training myself to know everything that, say, a solutions architects know, it was more about building a relationship with them and kind of like outsourcing, so to speak, what you don't know, finding the right resources on the team that can help you solve the problem. If becoming more technical is really important to you, there's tons of programs, tons of different trainings and resources that you can go to really build up your skill set there.